How you guys doing today? I have a 2017 JAQUAR, and the brake light was on yellow color. And then let me start this. Was the brake light in yellow color was on, so I scanned it with my tablet, and then I had the code u2002-13, and then I checked the live data. On the live data, I checked the parking brake switch was not function right, and but you still can hear if you go on reverse drive and then you go back on park, and then if you stop the car, I can hear the electric brake is function right. Like I can hear the caliber in the back is working, but on the live data, this parking brake switch was not function. I took it off and I take it apart, and it looks clean in and out. I found just like a small drip of soda, coke, something like that. Well, it was from outside, not inside. So anyway, because it's not function on the live data, I get, this is the old one, by the way, this is the new one. I already installed it. Just gonna bump this off. You're gonna have two 25mm torque space poles, two in here and two in there. And you take it off and you bump this off, and there is two bolts on. It's very easy, guys. Two bolts under this switch. I think it was 25, something like that, torque spec. You took it off and installed the new one. So after I installed it, and the light is gone, no more yellow light. This is the bar. The customer got it, I think from online maybe. But anyway, it depends to your vehicle, year, model. This is all the one right here. Yeah, I think this is the part number. So I'll just share that. If you have the same code, same situation, it might help you. That's it. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.